Hola, con permiso. Ya, me voy, me voy.
This squirrel looks chubby enough to hibernate for 2 winters straight.
Look at this fat, giant, morbidly obese squirrel. What are you doing?
Do you have something? Do you have something to say?
Where are you going? Why are you approaching me? Can you not? Sir, can I? What?
I think this pigeon is about to explode. I have never seen a goat get so scared of falling off a 2-inch cliff.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
Seeing a butterfly for the very first time.
Splish splash, we were taking a bath.